Hey, it's Sam Robinson here. Welcome to this bonus page for Social Pop. Now, this is something I'm excited about as an affiliate, okay? I make my money online by promoting products just like this and everything else you see in your inbox often. Now, something I often do is put up a special bonus, which is exactly what I'm going to do today. The first 50 people that buy Social Pop are going to get access to Ultimate Motion Resources white label rights. Now, this is something I've never given away before. Now, Social Pop actually gives me a tool to be able to let you know how many copies are left, and it's basically the ultimate scarcity tool. So have a look down there. You should be able to see the pop-up box there and see Social Pop in action, and you can see if you're on this page early, there'll be 50 copies left because it hasn't opened yet, but if you're on it much later, there might be no copies left, there might be 5 copies left. So that is Social Pop working right there on this page. Now, why do you need scarcity when you promote products? Well, in a nutshell, it drives sales. It brings me sales, it'll bring you sales, and it just encourages your users to act quickly, much like I'm doing on this page now. You know, if you aren't one of the first 50 people, you're going to miss out, right? And you don't want that. I don't want that. I hate missing out on stuff, so I'm a sucker for it as well. So this is the ultimate tool for you as someone who promotes something online to be able to help your customers make a decision quickly. So with that said, just to give you a quick idea, have a look down below. There's a bit of a preview of the product. We've thrown in a ton of awesome bonuses, and I'm actually going to jump in and give you a quick preview of what Social Pop is like in the user dashboard. So let's jump onto my laptop and have a look. Cool, so here we are on my laptop, and the first thing I'm going to do is just log in so you can see how beautiful even just the login area is for the Social Pop software. So we're going to log straight in here, and we've already landed at the dashboard. So as you can see, it's quite nice and easy to use, a beautiful layout with a bit of top navigation and things like this. But we're going to jump straight in, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a campaign that ended up on this bonus page right here. So it's as simple as clicking the Add Campaign button, and I'm going to call this Sam Social Pop. Okay, and then the page I'm going to want that to go on is going to be this bonus page that you're on right now. So I'm going to copy that link and put that in and click Save. Bear in mind, this is the straight basic version of Social Pop, so the Pro version has a few extra features and things like this. So this is going to be exactly what you're going to get even if you purchase just the standard, no frills Social Pop software. So as you can see, we're in here where we start building it. So I'm going to put the pop-up name. This is separate to your campaign because you can run a number of pops within your campaign, and I'm going to call this Sam Social Pop Bonus. Okay. Now, we can choose a template. We can choose whatever template we want. You get 5 on the front end, and if you get the upgrade version, you get another 5. So this one, I'm going to want to tell you how many bonuses are left. So I'm going to choose this bottom one here. And I'm going to start off by go pop-up timer, yes. I want the timer to come on 7 seconds in, so that means it'll be down in the corner of your screen already. And you can choose floating and fixed and real time and whatnot. And we can choose the location where we want the pop-up to be. So in this case, because I've already done the fancy video where I was pointing down to the right bottom corner, I'm going to choose the right bottom corner. Okay, now we can change the text. So you can see the text says there are so many JV products sold out of total. Now I'm going to change this to make it more aligned towards the amount of bonuses I'm giving away. So I'm going to say there are X white label bonuses left out of the total amount. Okay, now the next bit is we got to put in our JVZoo product ID. So this is perfect for those of you who want to use this to help promote products. I'm going to use JVZoo as an example. There's plenty of other ways to do this. There's a ton of training videos in the training area which show you more in depth how you do this. So I'm going to need the product ID. So I'm going to jump into my JVZoo account, and I'm going to find Social Pop. So here we go. So I'm going to choose the single license. So I'm just going to click on that one there. And as you can see here, we're on the affiliate details page, and what I need is the product ID up the top here, 188301. Now I'm just going to put that in, and the total amount of products I've got 50 to give away. Okay, I'm going to click next, and we end up on the customization tab. So as you can see, this bonus page is a dark color, and red is quite a nice pop-out color. So I'm going to make the background color of the pop-up, I'm going to make it red. So you can see a preview down here on the bottom right. Okay, so I'm going to make that a nice eye-catching red. Now the text I'm going to want to make white, so it pops out. Okay, we can choose from a number of animations how we want it to come in. So you can choose it to drop or explode or anything like that. So in this case, I'm going to have this one highlight in the corner. In fact, I'm going to have it shake itself into the corner so it catches your attention. I'm going to choose a standard font and change the sizes and make it nice and bold so you can see it. Now, as you can see, it's just a bit of text in a box, so I'm going to upload an icon. So I'm going to choose the Ultimate Motion Resources bullet icon, because that's actually what I'm giving away here today. So we've got the bullet icon and the text there. We can add a background image and all of that, so there's a ton of customization which you can play around with when you get your hands on the software. Now I'm going to click submit. And as you can see, the pop-up has been submitted. So now what I've got to do to integrate it into JVZoo, I just got to click this edit button, and I copy this little IPN link here as well. Just bear in mind there's some detailed training about how this works in the members area as well, so you're not going to be left out in the dark. And there's also training on how to build it, there's training on how to do plenty of extra things. I'm just giving you a quick example and a heads up on how to do it. So I'm going to save that, and this is actually going to count how many copies I've sold. So my pop-up will be live, integrates with JVZoo, so my pop-up will be live and the amount of units moved will be live, so you know exactly what to do. Okay, so now I've done that, I've completely finished designing and putting it into JVZoo. Now I'm going to want to put this into my bonus page so you see it when you jump on this bonus page. So I'm going to click add pop-up, and there we go. Now it's in my campaign, so it's under the Sam Social Pop is what we're going to want to do. And so I want to add this into my bonus page, so I am going to click on campaign code, and I get all the HTML code. Now, if you've got a developer or something, you'll be able to put this in. And also there's a ton of training in the members area telling you how to do it on different websites. So I'm going to use OptimizePress WordPress, which I use to build these bonus pages as an example. So I'm just going to quickly jump in. Cool, so let's add this into my WordPress page that I do the bonus pages in. So how we're going to do that is I'm going to click on the page settings, other scripts, and add new. Okay, we're going to start with the header, which is conveniently under the header text here, and I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to add another one, and this one will be the body, just like it says in here, nice and easy. And we paste that in there and simply click update. Okay, now I've updated that, I'm going to save my page, and I'm going to click on the public link. So now you can see the page is up, and now we just wait in the bottom right for the pop-up to turn up. There's the pop-up, it's showed up, and it says there are 50 white label bonuses left out of 50. So there we go. So that gives you a bit of an idea of how this software works and how it can get your customers' attention to be able to help drive that scarcity and drive more sales for you and your product. Remember, there's a ton of extra depth to this product that I haven't showed you today. It's just a quick example of how quick and easy it is to use Social Pop and a sneak peek at what's in the features and things like that. So be sure to click through, check out the sales page where there's going to be a lot more detailed information, and grab your copy of Social Pop today. This is Sam Robinson, and I've enjoyed showing you through the software.